If you're getting the X or Twitter Authservice error 7 on your mobile app, the quickest fix is to bypass the app completely and use the official X website in your browser. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to get back into your account, reset your password from the right settings menu, and avoid getting stuck on that error again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your preferred browser on your phone or computer. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you already use. Then go to the official X website and sign in there instead of using the mobile app. If the app is showing Authservice error 7, the browser login is often the cleanest way to regain access. Once you're logged into your X account on the website, look for your account settings. On desktop, this is usually in the main menu area. On mobile browser, you may need to tap your profile icon or the menu button to open the settings options. Next, find the section labeled Account Information. This is where you can manage your account details and security settings. Open that section and then choose the option to reset your password. Follow the prompts carefully, enter your current details if asked, and create a new secure password. Make sure it's something strong and unique that you haven't used before. After the password reset is complete, go back and confirm that your account is working normally on the website. At this point, you can try signing back into the app again using your new password. In many cases, this will clear the Authservice error 7 issue and restore access. So to recap, if X or Twitter is giving you Authservice error 7 on mobile, get the app, log in through the official website, go to settings, open account information, and reset your password there. That's the fastest fix to try, and it often solves the problem right away. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to guides and troubleshooting tips.